listeners, welcome to Daily English Pulse. In today's video, you'll hear common English dialogues used in everyday situations, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Improve your English listening skills with this simple and clear conversation practice. Repeat the sentences out loud for better speaking practice. So let's begin the stories.
It was a rainy afternoon. Emma ducked into the little coffee shop on the corner of Maple Street. Her coat was soaked. Raindrops fell from her umbrella as she closed it and stepped inside. The warm smell of roasted coffee beans wrapped around her like a hug. She smiled softly. Inside, it was quiet. Only a few people were there. A couple of regulars were typing on laptops. An old man was reading the newspaper by the window. Emma walked up to the counter. "Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?" she asked. The barista smiled. "Sure thing." Emma waited, listening to the rain outside. Then she took her coffee and sat near the fireplace. The fire crackled softly. Its warmth chased the chill from her bones. She pulled out a book, ready to relax. But something caught her eye. On the table next to hers was a small notebook. Its cover was brown and worn. Curious, Emma reached over and opened it. Inside were sketches. Beautiful drawings of the coffee shop. She turned the pages slowly. There was the barista, laughing. The swirl of steam rising from a coffee cup. The old man by the window. And then, a sketch that looked just like her. Emma blinked. She hadn't even noticed anyone drawing. "Hey, that's mine," said a voice. Emma looked up. A young man stood in front of her. He had paint-stained fingers and a shy smile. "Oh, I'm sorry," Emma said, handing over the notebook. "Your drawings are amazing." "Thanks," he said, laughing quietly. "I like capturing the small moments." He sat across from her. They started to talk. His name was Alex. He was an illustrator. He liked sketching in coffee shops. Emma told him she worked in publishing. The hours passed. They talked about books, art, and travel. Alex showed her more of his drawings. Emma smiled, feeling completely at ease. The old man by the window left. The lights dimmed. Soft jazz played in the background. "You ever think about turning your sketches into a book?" Emma asked. "Sometimes," Alex said. "But I don't know where to start." Emma leaned in. "Maybe you just did." She smiled. "You draw, I edit. We make a book, together." Alex paused, surprised, then nodded. "Deal." Outside, the rain had stopped. Inside, it was warm and quiet. A simple afternoon had become something more. A new friendship. A new beginning. Emma stood to leave. "See you tomorrow?" she asked. Alex smiled. "I'll be here." Emma walked out into the fresh, rainy evening. She looked back once, then turned the corner. And just like that, a rainy day had changed everything. What's one new word you learned today? Type it below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep improving your English listening skills, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.